Unlock the doors to financial abundance as Robert Kiyosaki takes you on a transformative journey through the Cashflow Quadrant. Brace yourself for a paradigm shift in wealth creation and embark on a path towards financial liberation like never before. Robert Kiyosaki's Cashflow Quadrant is a concept introduced in his book, Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant. This concept categorizes the different ways people earn income and participate in the economy into 4 quadrants: employee, A; self-employed, S; business owner, B; and investor, I. Each quadrant represents a distinct approach to generating income and achieving financial independence. Here's a detailed breakdown of each quadrant. Employee, A. In this quadrant, individuals work as employees for someone else's business or organization. They trade their time and skills for a salary or hourly wage. Employees usually have job security and receive regular paychecks, but their earning potential can be limited by factors such as salary caps and lack of control over their work hours. Self-employed, S. People in this quadrant work for themselves and may have their own small businesses or provide professional services. They often have more control over their schedules and work environments, but their income can still be tied to the hours they put in. While self-employed individuals have the potential to earn more than employees, they may also face challenges such as managing all aspects of their business. Business owner, B. This quadrant involves individuals who have built or acquired businesses that operate without their direct involvement. Business owners have systems and teams in place to generate income, allowing them to leverage their time and scale their operations. Unlike the S quadrant, where the individual's presence is crucial, the B quadrant focuses on creating systems that generate income even when the owner is not physically present. Investor, I. Investors are individuals who use their money to generate passive income through various investments. These investments can include stocks, real estate, bonds, and other assets. The I quadrant is about making money work for you, rather than trading time for money. Successful investors aim to build a portfolio that generates consistent cash flow and appreciates in value over time. The significance of the Cashflow Quadrant lies in its representation of different mindsets and approaches to financial success. Kiyosaki emphasizes that achieving financial freedom often involves transitioning from the A and S quadrants, which are focused on active income, to the B and I quadrants, which emphasize passive and leveraged income. Kiyosaki's teachings encourage individuals to diversify their sources of income, acquire financial education, and develop a broader perspective on wealth creation. He suggests that focusing solely on the A and S quadrants can limit one's potential for financial growth and security, while embracing the B and I quadrants can lead to greater autonomy, wealth accumulation, and freedom. Reading Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki can provide you with more in-depth insights into this concept and how it relates to achieving financial independence. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then please do not forget to like and share. Your likes give me the motivation to make more such videos. Also, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you get a notification of our video upload. Thank you. May Lord Shiva bless you with all his divine powers. Wish you bright years ahead.